What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out that's not located in the Gear Manager store, at least not yet. Now, this one is coming from the Galaxy Watch Active. I did a review on all the watch faces yesterday, and this one here is definitely one that I've been looking for a very long time that I have not yet to find. Now, I woke up to the animation of the rain falling on this watch face, right? Now, this is a live wallpaper, and it's live according to what's going on with the weather in your area. So I like that. Now, I've dug deep to bring you guys nothing but the very best in watch faces, and I have yet to see anything like this in the Gear Manager store. Now, if something like this exists, subscribers, followers, developers, hit me in the comment section down below with the link, because I would love to have this in the lineup for my Galaxy Watch. But if not, developers, is it possible for you all to be able to create something like this? Or do Samsung have special developers that only make these type of watch faces for watches that are coming out brand new? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And let me know, have you seen anything close to this type of watch face in the Gear Manager store? All right, you all, if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.